Good evening. This is Arthur in the cohort for December 9th, 2019, and I'm demonstrating the Ruby on Rails um, application here. First of all, we'll walk through quickly the application. You log in, a user comes in, logs in. This is an events app. They sign in. And they are taken to their user profile page. And they're basically, these are the events they're hosting. These are the events that they're attending. They can view other events that they want to attend, or they can host another event also. But going to a view of all the events that are available, we see that they're hosting this event called Edify with 2 attendees. They RSVP'd for this event. They have sent a maybe for this event, and they have yet to RSVP for this particular event, and there are 0 attendees there, right? So they can go to their own event and view the details of the event. It says it's hosted by this particular host. This is the meeting time, the location, the description of the event, and these are the RSVPs by user alpha and user omega. And alpha says yes, they are interested, but they would like vegan servings. And omega says that he will know by Monday for sure, right? They can also go and edit events because they're the host. If they were not the host, they would not be allowed to edit the event, right? So there's Edify. You can actually edit the date right here. This is a drop down, right? This is essentially a demonstration of some of the aspects of it. You can create a new event also. This is the new event aspect of it. You can RSVP for an event. For example, this particular hosting Love Fest hosted by Alpha. You can RSVP here, yes, maybe, no, and comment, and create your registration, sign up for the following event. So that should be essentially it from one user's point of view. We can try to log in as another user or demonstrate signing in via Google. And when we click on that, we should get a sign up screen here. And here we're going to log in as Arthur Orange here. And we see Arthur Orange is not hosting any, not attending any, but they can of course choose to RSVP for any events. As you can see, they have the option to RSVP for any of these events. So let's see, actually, Mr. Arthur Orange is interested in basically RSVPing for hosting Love Fest. So hosting Love Fest is hosted by Alpha. It's taking place every time and place, and involves lots of ecstatic joy. Says maybe, or maybe let's do a yes, and we'll say, sounds cool. We'll have fun, right? And then you create the registration. And here you see a view of the registration, right? Mr. Art Orange has RSVP yes, it sounds cool. Now, if you go back to his roster of events, it says he has RSVP'd yes for it. If you go to his user profile, you'll see hosting Love Fest at every time and place shows up in the user's particular profile here, right? So now that all these things are taken care of, I'm going to be demonstrating some of the user requirements. So let me go through this. So you sign in. If you see here, one of the user requirements is that there should be a nested route. So I believe if you go to Edify, No, that's not view all events. Oh, if you click on this, you'll see a nested route of basically events, one registrations index, right? So you see all the registrations for event edify, right? And you can of course go back and you can see edify has one event. You can also actually um, when you RSVP for an event, that's also a nested route. If you click on RSVP, you see the event IDs there and registrations in new would give us a nested route. These are all RESTful routes. So hopefully that should take care. Oh, and the user or the host is allowed to edit the event and delete the event, right? And create new events and things like that. So that should hopefully be enough. Thank you.